How to star and find important messages on WhatsApp. In this video, I'll show you how to star important messages in WhatsApp and easily find them later. It's a handy way to keep track of a key info. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on a device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Now go to the chat with the message you want to star. To star a message on Android, long press the message and tap the star icon at the top. On iPhone, swipe right on the message or long press and tap the star icon. To find all your starred messages, go back to the main WhatsApp screen. On Android, tap the three dots menu at the top right and select the starred messages. On iPhone, tap settings at the bottom right corner. Then tap on starred messages. You can tap any starred message to jump right to the chat. To unstar a message, just long press it again and tap the star icon to remove it. And that's it. This is how you star and find important messages on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.